Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. Today we're going to be doing a compression test on my Evo 9. The reason I'm doing a compression test is this year I've gone to a couple events and I've really beat on the motor. So just for peace of mind, I'd like to know where the health is of the motor. It's also good to do one of these if you're going to be purchasing one used. If the seller will allow you to do so, just do a compression test, see how the motor is before you buy it. I've already drove the car around a little bit just to allow everything to kind of expand, and it's always good to do a compression test warm. I know some people do it cold, but why not get the most accurate readings with everything warmed up? Alright, first thing we need to do is get this spark plug cover off of here and also remove the coil packs. And now that we got the coil packs off, it's time to take the spark plugs out. Before we get started on this compression test, make sure you unplug your crank position sensor. It shouldn't start. You have your spark plugs pulled and the coil packs. The compression tester that I'm going to be using, I rented from AutoZone. You can also pick them up at Harbor Freight, or you can get a Craftsman or Snap-on, but the ones from Harbor Freight, from what I was told, tend to leak a little bit. So you want to get a quality one when you pick one up. That way everything's pretty accurate. Shout out to Reggie for giving me the pointer on the Harbor Freight one. We're going to start off by screwing this into the first cylinder. Just like that. And then connect this guy here. And I'm just going to set this down right here. And we just go ahead and start by cranking the car 5 to 6 times. We just repeat that 3 more times and we're good to go. There you have it. Compression was solid across the board, all 4 cylinders. All that's left to do is just button her back up. You guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and also subscribe. Until next time.